YouTube. We're gonna do this wire song called Lion Tamer. They were, kind of original punk band. Some people call them other things, but that's how I think of it. We start on D for the intro. A, E, now you could play this in all power chords. That would sound fine. Okay, but anyways, let's cover the chords. D is at your 5th fret. Here's your root. Okay, and then what I do a lot of times is I finger the whole chord. I fret it, my whole chord, but a lot of times I'm playing just the top 3 strings. But then if you get some other strings in there by accident, they still sound good. Like I'm really just playing, maybe mostly 4, 3, and 2, but once in a while I'll hit the 2nd string, the B string. Then it goes to A, which is right above the D at the 5th fret. If you're playing a power chord, you just play 5, 7, 7. Same with the D, 5, 7, 7 power chord. Then it goes to E. You can play that in the open position. And then G. So all these G's at the 3rd fret, by the way. 3, 5, 5 for power chords. You'll notice all these are beginner friendly. You could play it, they're not playing it this way, but you could play it in the open position. D, A, E, G. Works really well. Again, that's not how they're playing it, but you could play it like that. Nothing's stopping you. That's the other part of the song. This is like the verse, I guess. You're playing a B. Again, you can play it all power chords. Playing 7, 9, 9. B, B, B. Then we go A, G, A, A. So you can get some scratch, kind of like muted. Just play it however you feel it. It's just this kind of song is all about feel. You play it all with power chords. The song is about watching television and the effect it has on your mind and how they draw you in. Keep you watching. And I love television, so I like this song. Okay, and then at the end they do a little. You hear them do like a little chromatic walk up to the G. That's how it ends. All right, that's Lion Tamer, the group Wire. I have one other Wire lesson I did. All right, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.